Tired of banking headaches? Let's break down how to properly fill out a USAA deposit ticket, ensuring your money lands exactly where it should. First, grab a USAA deposit ticket. You can find these at any USAA branch or often near the ATM. Make sure you have a pen handy. Start by filling in the date at the very top of the form. This is crucial for record-keeping purposes. Use today's date. Next, clearly write your USAA account number in the designated field. Double-check this number. A mistake here could send your deposit to the wrong account. Below your account number, print your name as it appears on your USAA account. This further verifies that the deposit is being credited to the correct place. Now, let's itemize your deposit. If you're depositing cash, write the total dollar amount in the cash section. For example, if you're depositing $20, write $2,000. If you're depositing checks, write each check amount individually on a separate line. In the check section, be sure to endorse the back of each check with your signature and USAA account number. Add up all the cash and check amounts. This is your total deposit. Write this amount in the total box at the bottom of the ticket. Finally, sign the deposit ticket on the signature line. This confirms the accuracy of the information you've provided. Place the deposit ticket and your cash and checks into the ATM or hand it to a teller at a branch. Keep your receipt for your records. You're all done. By following these steps, you can confidently use a USAA deposit ticket, ensuring your deposits are accurate and hassle-free. Happy banking!